This is the first non-consumer wallet. Means it's like metamask, it's like cross wallet basically, but it's linked with Visa. First time in history happening in the entire crypto space, and it's 100% live. We didn't launch yet. We're gonna launch the token next week in BYBIT as an IEO, and there's another exchange as well happening as an IEO. So basically, I want to skip all this. Now, today, most of the countries, like who's the card provider at the moment? We have Coinbase, Crypto.com. No, Coinbase is not card provider. So, Coinbase, Crypto.com, and Binance. Basically, they are the largest, and they are covering either Europe or and the US. Here, for the first time in history, we're covering 170 plus countries. It is live. You can now go to your iOS device or Android, type OKSE, and you will find it, download it. You will have the seed phrase. Since it means your money, no one can have control. You do your KYC. Within 4 days maximum, you're going to receive a digital card, the same as this one. And you pay right away with crypto to any more than 60 million versions. You can do it in any country you want. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, UAE. We have 170 countries, but some countries are not regulated by the US because we're provided in the US. So basically, today when you use the money from the Visa card, you're just taking the money from your non-consumer wallet and top up your Visa card. And we solved the problem that never been solved before. Our project got a cold tweet last week from the BNB chain. We run on the 3 blockchains at the moment, the BNB, Avalanche, and Fantom, official partnerships. And today we as well launched a new token. Basically, in this project as well, after 6-7 months, we can have more than 100 tokens as long as they meet the requirement. So that will be a demand from any coming project as long as we meet the requirement. The KYC and everything happening from our provider in the US. Slide in the QR code. You slide in the QR code.
Computer doesn't want to shoot you off. There you go.
Just please scan the code here. Go to your. Just scan the code. Just scan the code now. Download the wallet. Do your KYC. It's simple. If you are from some countries that prohibited to join, which is Iran, Syria, Lebanon, etc., you still can use your Emirates ID. So it's allowed. And you're going to get your KYC approved within 4 days. Top up your card, use right away.
So this is the OKSE card with Ahmed. And now we pay for the Coca-Cola with the OKSE card. Okay. Done? Ah, done. 1890. Save. Oh. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Thank you. You need a copy? No, I don't.